Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you Habitat 21, a modern residential apartment building in France built by Kiha Conception using shipping containers. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing shipping container housing. If you are looking for modern floor plans for container homes, a weekly update on case studies for most influential shipping container homes from around the world, plus detailed articles from our building guide for shipping container homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more weekly videos. Check out our website sheltermode.com for lots of free resources, modern floor plans, and blueprints. If you like our videos plus our valuable content on shipping container living, feel free to support our channel on Patreon through the link in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. Habitat 21 is a housing project of modular dwellings built with shipping containers in France by Kiha Conception. Each apartment consists of a single 40-foot shipping container measuring 30 square meters. The development consists of 21 apartments, each designed to target students, young employees, singles, or young couples. Each apartment accommodates an open-plan living space, a wet core in the middle comprising of a bathroom and an open-plan kitchenette with adequate overhead and under-the-counter storage, and a private bed space on the extreme end. The development also offers a second typology with a different layout to accommodate people with disabilities. The construction period of the project on site was less than 3 months. 80% of the building works was done in the factory, with the remaining 20% completed on site. The apartments are elevated on a steel framework 1 floor above the ground to free up the ground space for access and for parking. The containers were craned and stacked on top of each other to create 2 levels of housing accommodation in a staggered layout to create an interesting wave-like arrangement on the main elevation. The apartments are single-banked with the entrances on one side and the balconies and full-height glazing on the opposite end facing the garden. A maze of timber network is fitted on the entrance elevation to offer privacy to the entry into each apartment and to also introduce some flair to the design of the entire building. The garden elevation has a beautiful staggered wave-like elevation with the exposed Juliet balconies made from the original container cargo doors used in an open position and welded into position. The resultant space is fitted with full-height sliding glass doors which open onto the Juliet balconies, providing amazing views of the garden to each apartment unit. On the inside, there is no single hint that these apartments are made from shipping containers. Each container was framed and insulated, and the interior walls partitioned and drywalled, and finally painted white. The white paint and the big glass openings on one end of the shipping container studios creates bright and light-drenched interiors which help to eliminate the claustrophobic feel of living inside a shipping container box. However, the bathroom wall inside each of these container units is painted in a deep pink color to introduce a bit of contrast in the white dominant interior. From outside, it is equally impossible to tell that this is a shipping container project, save for the projecting container cargo doors on the garden elevation and one or two additional shipping containers with common services on the entrance elevation. The container modules and the steel stanchions in the elevated car park area are clad with durable wooden siding that has been spaced out a bit, shading the containers and the columns from the sun, while at the same time allowing glimpses of the original container walls beneath. Because of the large numbers of the occupants involved in the project, thermal and acoustic insulation can be a challenge if not well resolved. Sound insulation was solved thanks to a patented system by Kiha Conception, where silent blocks, which allows to solve the problem of fixing the shipping containers using the ISO corner posts. The projections of the corner posts on each and every container maintains a space between the containers, which helps to prevent the condition of sound moving from one block to another because of the gap that is left in between. In addition, the container modules are also insulated on the inside using spray foam for good thermal regulation. Sustainability was at the heart of the project design from conception. The building was installed with solar thermal panels to provide some of the hot water for the building. Photovoltaic panels were also installed to reduce the energy impact of the residences. All the rainwater in the building is collected and stored underground of the collective green spaces, including the garden. Ventilation is provided by Canadian wells thanks to the pipes that are buried 1 or 2 meters into the ground. They allow the winter air to be heated before it is injected into the homes or to be cool in summer. The use of eco-friendly construction products was encouraged throughout the building process, where all materials and binder textures used for the construction were solvent-free paint. The residence is named Habitat 21, and it introduces the concept of communal living. The building has got 2 typologies, with one typology designed to accommodate wheelchairs and people with disabilities. The project has a communal vegetable garden for the residents. In addition, there is a communal laundry services that also helps to free up additional space in each apartment that would have been occupied by washing machines. The landlord has provided free 2-wheeler bicycles to the tenants to encourage them to use soft transport, since the project is not linked to the main tram transport system. We love the sustainability credentials employed in this amazing shipping container housing project from the inception. Which part of this amazing shipping container housing project appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. If this is the first time you are watching a video from our YouTube channel, Feel free to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.